Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Is your extender not working properly since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the D-Link DAP-1325 extender. Resetting the D-Link DAP-1325 helps fix network issues or forgotten settings. It clears all old configurations and restores factory defaults. This makes it easier to set up the extender again from scratch. So let's start the reset process. Now plug the DAP-1325 into a wall outlet and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. This means the device is fully booted up. Find the small reset hole on the side or bottom of the extender. It is usually labeled reset and may require a pin or paper clip to press. Insert a pin or paper clip into the hole and press the reset button firmly. Hold it for at least 10 seconds continuously. While holding, the LED light will start blinking, usually orange or red, indicating the reset process has started. After 10 seconds, release the reset button. The extender will now reboot automatically. Wait for reboot to complete. Give the extender 1 to 2 minutes to fully reset and reboot. Once the power LED turns solid, the reset is complete. After the reset process, you will need to reset up the D-Link DAP-1325. After resetting your D-Link DAP-1325 extender, plug it in and connect to its default Wi-Fi name. Then, open a browser and go to http://dlinkcap.local to follow the setup wizard and reconnect it to your main Wi-Fi network.
I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.